Dave and Buster's is opening in Manila soon. I think sa Opus Mall and Green Hills yata. When we went to the US, our second destination is Orlando, Florida. Nag-take lang kami ng local flight, nandun kasi yung youngest sister ko and her family. At isa sa mga places na unang pinakita niya sa amin is Dave and Buster's. Sa Florida, isang building itong Dave and Buster's. Dito kasi sa Philippines, nasa loob siya ng mall. Dave and Buster's is well known for being a full-service restaurant, full bar, and a video arcade. For me, maganda na rin yung local video arcade natin na time zone. Most of the machines there, meron na rin tayo. At bongga na rin yung time zone na meron ng billiards, bowling, and party area. Sayang we didn't get a chance to eat there and try their bar. Busog na kasi kami when we went there and we chose to have dinner in a different place instead. Sobrang tagal dito naglaro yung mga kids. Grabe, halos 3 hours yata. Syempre, medyo napagod sila sa itinerary namin sa New York. Puro lakad kasi and kain. So yung Dave and Buster's day namin is their time to enjoy with their cousins. Nakapag-bond naman sila as in sobra-sobra pa nga. Thanks to my sister and her family for letting us experience Dave and Buster's in Florida. I also can't wait kung anong magiging itsura ng Dave and Buster's here sa Philippines. Feeling ko bongga kasi under din siya ng The Bistro Group. That's all. Bye!